Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel. And for today's video, I have with me my first investment for my vlog channel actually, ring light. So this ring light is not a big one, it's only 10 inch. So I have observed that a lot of YouTubers these days are using ring lights for their unboxing video. So I got my own ring light. So this ring light is a cheaper one actually. So it sorry, it costed me around rupees 700. So this is worth rupees 2000 actually, but it costed me only rupees 700. So I got this one. Apart from this, the best part was in this deal the stand which you get for the ring light. So this is the particular stand of the ring light. The opening section is little bit tough. I'll just show you. So you can observe that these two come out and this one is not coming out. So I just do like this, and then the stand comes, and I'll just show you. It stands something like this. So this is one good thing about the light actually, and when you pressurize it, it actually spreads out more wide. So I won't do that right now. This much is quite much enough for me. So I get 3 knobs here for setting it. Now keeping this thing aside, I'll just show you how so nothing is there, everything fell off. So what are the parts which comes for this is obviously the light. Apart from the light, there's a controller over here. You can change the light settings. There's no adapter, so I got one adapter for this. This is a Samsung adapter, so I got this. Now I'll just show you whether the light is working, because online usually when cheaper offers are there, you never know. Sometimes they don't work. They don't work well. So yeah, it's working right now. You can see the lights over here. 1 minute. Little bit beginner's problem. So the lights. So there are 4 settings over here for the light. So starting one is on. Wow, beautiful light. Okay, so this is not the white light. Wait, I'll just change the light. This is the warm light. This is the white light. This is the light which I want. Apart from that, this is a mixed wala, and you can increase the lights settings and even dim it out. You can see the changes. This is the least you can dim it. I guess around 10 clicks are there. So the company which this light belongs to is Tygot, I guess. Not a big company, but enough for me. For a beginner, it's more than enough. And obviously this is for the mobile keeping section. So this is mainly for keeping my mobile in middle. Already this thing has gone inside. It's pretty tight, so it's a good thing that it won't fall off. And you can switch and change the angles as you wish. So now I'll just continue fixing this part now. I got actually 2 of them. One is down there and one is over here. I will, okay, so I'll keep this down first. The thing is, the next thing I have to get is a stool actually. You can see I don't have stools at my home, proper one, so that I can sit and do my videos on. I have only steady desk, so I should get a new stool soon in Amazon itself. This is for the down section, I guess so. And no, the down section is quite common, something like this. So I'll just set it up in a lift. So friends, I just now finished this thing up. It was completely exhausting if you ask me. So while doing this, I found a couple of things. So here the mobile is placed when taking the video, and if you on this, so the mobile comes over here and it displays. When I use this, I'll just show you how it looks. Then here only you can change the color also. This is warm light, white and mixed one. Apart from that, the best part is you can increase the height. So right now I'll just keep this down over here. So you can see the wire is not lengthy enough. That may be one of the disadvantages. But I am happy with my purchase actually, because as you all know, for 700 this is very, what to say, very useful actually. So you can make it this lengthy, and I guess you can again increase it over here also. Wait, I'll just jam this up here, the lock. So the locks are pretty tough, so not a big issue actually. So I'll just open this area now. Let's see what happens over here. Okay, so this doesn't come up. That means that this is a lock to open this probably. So remaining, I have no idea actually. Apart from that, this lock is to rotate this block over here, so it just rotates like this, whichever angle you want it to. So this much is done. Then this setting is done. So this part to set it was really irritating if you ask me. After that, you might have seen the base actually. The base is pretty damn good. So the base part also there's a lock. So I was using that lock initially. So that's all for this video, friends. When I work it out, I'll just show you in my next video, which is an unboxing one. So until next time, friends, bye.